Hello guys, today we are going to play Sons of the Forest. Okay, so now we just have to wait like around 1 or 2 seconds for the game to start. $2,000 later. Oh, okay. What? Oh, okay. Let me see. So these are our boys, Kelvin and Fisheye, and where's the pilot? Who's piloting the chopper? Okay, so we are searching for Edward Puffton, Barbara Puffton, and Virginia Puffton. And they are here on this island. So now we know two things. First, this family owns the island. And second, their daughter is a virgin. Nice. Oh, hello? Somebody help me. Oh, there's the pilot. Where did you came from? You weren't existing 5 minutes ago. A second. I think he's fine. Oh, hello there. Oh! And this is where we start. Okay, so what do I have to do? Rocks. Of course. We can't go anywhere without the rock. Oh, hi there. How are you? I think you're doing fine. I'll come for you later. What do we have here? Okay, some stuff. And even more stuff. Okay, that's even more stuff. What else do we have here? Ammo for guns. Great, and... Oh! Let's open this thing first. This is for emergencies. However, there is no fire axe. How disappointing. Oh. Hey! Hey! Where's my man? Hey! Catch! Where am I? I think I'm about to get consumed by deers. I need to get away fast. You will never take me alive. Okay, you're still alive. How disappointing. Hey. Hey. Oh, okay, he no longer has hearing. He no longer, he is, how was the word? Ah, yes, deaf. He's deaf. He can't hear anything. Okay, we'll communicate with him through text. Follow me. As you can see, everything we have is garbage. We don't have any useful stuff in us. Eat. How do you eat pills? Yeah, I see. Now back to the inventory stuff. We can get useful items in, like you see, we have trees, we have the leaves of the trees, we have duct tape, we have rocks, yeah, and sticks and whatever we can pick up. But I have a better solution for this, and we are going to do this by with just a snap of our fingers. Bam! I definitely do not use cheat codes to break the game. Now that we actually have a fire axe, we can unlock our full potential on our ally. Don't worry, he's fine. Let's just continue. Man, it's very boring here in the forest. I wish we could go up there to the mountain we saw earlier. Wait a second, we can go there. It's all cool in here, but it's still kinda boring. I wanna go all the way to the top. Okay, and I think we will just make our base over here. Like, yeah, here is the perfect spot. I'm still building the house, but there's this lady with 3 arms dancing in front of it. I don't know why. 2000 years later. So this here is my house. Yes and no, it looks beautiful. As you can see, our loyal helper is helping us building stuff, which is good. But I don't like his outfit. That's way more better. Look at this beautiful view. What's the smell? Ah, yeah, forgot about you. Now, as you can see, our boy Kelvin here is making his own tent. Yeah, he's going to live here, while I live in this gigantic cabin. He doesn't even try to sleep inside. Like this is a real chat. Okay, I completely forgot to give you a tour of my house, don't worry. So, this here is my house, and that's the wall that represents my hatred towards deers in movies, but don't care about that, it's nothing. This here is where I hide something. Hey Kelvin, look at this cool gun I have. Oh, don't worry, he's fine. You know, it's good to have a loyal guy that does the work instead of you, but do you know what's better than one guy that does the work instead of you? 300 guys that does the work instead of you. Just amazing. And I think my computer is about to explode every second. Look, there's even a guy that's calling, how was he called? A radio, yes, a radio. Okay, now let's go explore the forest. I'm fine. Okay, so what do we have here? A plane. Money! Okay, somebody crashed with the plane. Just in case. Okay, he's dead. Sir, stay back. Stay back, I have a gun. And 300 men coming after me. They are around, I don't know, a lot of kilometers away. Oh, hello there, fellow civilized men. Oh! Sorry, but you're forcing me to use firearms. Put your hands in the air, because I have a gun. Stay back. Stay back, man. Sir, stay back. Okay, so guns don't work. What's the second best thing we can use? Of course. Stay back, I have a grenade. I'm going to kamikaze myself. Sir, are you dead? What kind of dark magic is this? Kevin, Kelvin, you Kelvin, what are you doing? Your music is making the sticks dance. Wait a second, I can drive this? Yes. Okay, this vehicle is useless. What I'm going to do now is blow up myself. Okay, I am somewhere and what's this? A bunch of people and a rock. I missed. What do we have here? Okay, some random people and is that okay? Parax, help me. Thank you. Okay, so now let's see what's inside. Hello? I expect nothing but in here. Hello there, creature with mouth. Oh. Watch out, because I have terrible aim. Oh. What okay. What is this? Oh, hey, I killed it. Excuse me, if you excuse me, I need to take off your brother's skin. Thank you for being so polite. Okay. Yeah, stay back. Stay back, demon. I have a cross. Stay back. No, I told you to stay back. How are my boys doing without me? Oh, I forgot how many of you are here. Okay, you're still partying. Cool. Okay, I think I can hear something going on around here. What's going on? Oh, I see. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sir, you need to leave my man. Who else needs help? Back off. I think this is pretty effective. Sir, you leave me no choice but to hold this teaser like I'm some sort of a gangster. Okay. Oh, hey there. How are you? I didn't do anything. Please, no. First date in my life, terrible. It went terrible. Wait a second. Kelvin, what are you doing? Hey, Nuke, what are you doing here? Hey, Kevin, what are you doing? Kelvin, what are you doing here? Everybody, what are you doing here? Okay there, Pyjama Kelvin. Isn't it beautiful and relaxing? Just to sit on your chair and watch how your own kind destroys the nature. Oh wait, I think I'm about to see this. What? Okay. Excuse me, can you turn around so I can shoot your brother? Thanks a lot. Okay, where were I? Are you exploring the cave? Okay, look, it's a baby. How cute. Oh no. I've fallen down again. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? We don't exactly have I deserved this. This is pure torture. Well guys, this is going to be for this video. I hope you did not like it because it's terrible.